Hello, Mr. Dave here. I want to give you a little tips and tricks from the rock pile. So we're up here at the Monster Alpine job. Gonna do a big update and walk around. Sorry, I'm getting over this stupid cold that's been going on for a month. Anyway, I want to pre-pour this area and make a flat sort of step zone. This is gonna be all shotcreted in a few days here and here, but in the meantime it's serving as some steps to get in up and down. But this area is kind of rolled and it's very sort of unstable a little bit and is a little sketchy. So there's a bit of a hole right in here. So you can just get a piece of chicken wire, jam it down in there. And remember, this whole thing's getting blasted with shotcrete, 200 miles an hour. You're gonna go over the whole thing. And then we're gonna be taking all the pegboard off and getting it all, dialed in. So we're going to be patching all different areas. So this little zone will be able to just push up some spec mix and be good to go. When you get that stuff in there, it holds it. It doesn't go through, a couple layers of chicken wire. It just doesn't do it. It holds pretty good. And if you can even make balls, and that holds pretty good as well. I'm going to try to get this leveled off. If you don't vibrate stuff, it stays there, which is good. This is what we want. So that's one bucket. So I'll come back with another one. And I'm trying to make this sort of a stable area to climb around on, because we're going to be having shotcrete day coming up, and that's going to be really crazy. It's next Tuesday. Today's Friday. Gonna have to do a little bit of a last few things in preparation for the big day. So you just get it on there if I can hold it in the right spot. Trying to get it a little bit leveled off. All right, so there you go. You could use a trowel and smooth it off if you wanted to. Just trying to make a little bit more flat surface than all this. It's like the tires at football practice in high school. You remember those suckers? So this will allow me a place to step down and up during shotcrete day. Plus, Myra and our shotcrete guy will be able to stand in areas like this. They'll be a more stable, not trying to walk around on all this. It's all curved and arching and kind of funky. So we're going to pre-pour these areas. We started there. We're going to finish that 2, 3, and 4, and maybe a little bit more in this area again to make another platform area before shotcrete day. So there you go. Mr. Dave, give me a tip and trick, or a tricky tip, or it's a trippy tip, man. Whoa, dude, for sure. So anyway, I'm so burnt out. I can't wait to get this big, ginormous thing shotcreted, and I can just relax a little bit, and then it'll be a massive de-pegboarding day. So anyways, DaveHenderson.podia.com to learn how we do this. Please buy stuff, because then it means I don't have to work as hard out here in the field. I'm going to be having some consulting opportunities coming up, one-on-one. You can set up with that. And can also have memberships with a lot of benefits for folks who sign up for monthly memberships. So cool stuff coming still. www.daverhenderson.com for my blogs and links to other platforms. And yeah, so God bless you guys. Remember to be forgiving and thankful. It's the road to happiness, I'm telling you. All right, I'm blathering as usual. Until next time, I will see you on the rock pile. Mr. Dave checking out. Bye.